Okay, Marsha, how would you compare your experience here in getting the veneers as compared to when you had the veneers done the first time?
Well, first of all, before I answer any questions, I have got to say that I have not stopped smiling. Not so much because I have a beautiful smile, excuse me for being a little conceited, but I'm not conscious anymore. I'm not thinking about my teeth 24/7, dreaming about them, trying to hide them when I speak. It's such a huge difference to not wake up thinking about my teeth and going to sleep thinking about my teeth. And for that, I'm forever grateful. Now, the experience, the level of professionalism, there is no comparison. Dr. Pohl was in no hurry to do my teeth. The decision was completely my own. All he did was present me with facts, many pictures, offers of providing references for me to speak to people whose teeth he's fixed. And that I received none of that. I mean, if whoever's watching this watches the before, that was not the case at all. Now today I'm a lot more educated when it comes to veneers because I've had to learn the hard way through trial and error. And today I understand that the experience I went through originally the first time was a very Mickey Mouse experience. As far as just being told that people flying in from out of town, from all over to get their teeth done, but no offers of actually speaking to these people. And pictures being very minimal, very minimal. And not being told in detail the differences between materials that are used and the different brands, and it's just, I can't, there's no comparison. There's absolutely no comparison. The experience was night and day. After basically everything, my teeth were screwed up by the original dentist that did them. I was online doing a lot of different research, and I came across Dr. Pohl, who had some testimonials online, or pictures of veneers that he has had to fix, bad veneer jobs. And I chose to come in and see him because I figured he's got experience with fixing botched jobs. Coming here, I guess what really made me feel very comfortable here, again, was that no pressure attitude, that the decision was completely mine, that time is not of the essence, that the ball is in my court. And ultimately, that made me feel very comfortable as far as taking the time to make the decision to finally go through with fixing my veneers with Dr. Pohl.
So was there anything in particular characteristic of our practice that impressed you, that made you want to go through?
Well, absolutely. First of all, what very much impressed me was, and I'll be honest, I did this research on my own. I did not learn this through Dr. Pohl's office. I learned this through doing a lot of research online, that Dr. Pohl consistently does continuing education. He's consistently, learning about the newest and, whatever's out there now. And because of my botched job, I had to learn the hard way that there are different brands out there and what are some of the better brands. And if nothing else, I just became so educated in the veneer world from coming to Dr. Pohl's office. And this was prior to ever giving a deposit, ever giving a go-ahead, yes, we're going to do the teeth, we're going to redo the teeth here. I was given a lot of information and given the time to make my decision. My original dentist, never discussed the differences in brands, product, materials. He had some lab making up the veneers, and at that time I didn't know that that's not protocol. And ultimately, within the first week of getting my veneers on, I was at the movie theater with my daughter, bit into an M&M, peanut M&M, and one of my teeth completely crumbled, like powdered, in my mouth. today it's such a huge difference because the material is I mean, I can eat carrot sticks, I can eat apples. These were all, they just weren't options originally with my original veneers. The self-esteem, I never imagined. I could never imagine that I would feel this much better and this much happier about the end result. You guys exceeded any expectations I may have had. Again, the most valuable lesson that I've learned is that you get what you pay for, and I just would not hesitate in referring somebody to this particular practice for anything.